In terms of their designs, smartphones have therefore remained quite uninteresting for a while. Simply said, it seems like a very long time since we have saw any really unique phone designs. The S23 Ultra resembles the Note 20 Ultra in appearance nearly precisely, while the S22 Ultra resembles the S22 Ultra. Even worse situations arise while discussing iPhones and Pixel phones. The same is true for foldables. The Z Fold 5 will resemble the Z Fold 4, which itself resembled the Z Fold 3. Since every smartphone is a slab with a full screen up front, there aren't many different ways to design them, so I can't say that I blame these companies. Therefore, the only modification they could make was to redesign the camera module. Regrettably, these modifications can only advance the design so far before it becomes monotonous. So what I'm trying to say is that design trends in smartphones have reached a standstill, and the Galaxy S24 series may be no exception. Early speculations suggest that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will include a punch-hole display up front, and separate camera lenses at the rear, much like the S23. And to be quite honest, I'm not all that shocked considering that Samsung has been using the same design for its flagship smartphones for at least 2 years. To distinguish the S24 series from the S23 series, however, a few minor changes might be made. On to the Galaxy S24 Ultra now. The S24 Ultra's design may resemble this since it will have one less camera because it uses a continuous zoom lens, eliminating the requirement for an additional 3x telephoto sensor. Since they can only do so much with a piece of glass, they can only do so much with this concept, which is why I wouldn't be surprised if it turned out to be the final design. In any case, Ice Universe has already made it clear that the S24 Ultra's primary camera will not be accompanied by any additional technology. Samsung will maintain its use of the 200MP sensor. The continuous zoom camera is likely to be the sole novel feature of the camera. The primary camera's quality won't necessarily stay the same, however. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.